Sorry for the obnoxious background. I'm in Tokyo and like I just had to do it. I thought I would get ready for the day with you using like loads of new stuff that I've got. I've been in Japan for 2 weeks and I picked up a few little beauty bits here and there, so I thought I would like show you, do a little glam. I've been loving my makeup recently. It's kind of like a fun Japan version of my everyday makeup. It's cute. I get so many compliments on it. I was talking about this on TikTok, but I love the way girls do their makeup here, and I love how much time and energy they clearly put into it, and like how precise and careful and kind of loving they are with their makeup. It comes out like pristine. I've already prepped my skin with Weleda Skin Food and this Skin Aqua Super Moisture UV Gel, which is an SPF 50, and I'm gonna get loads more of these today because I love it so much. So thin, it immediately goes clear, and there's no white cast. I don't think there would be a white cast on anybody. I got it like the first day I arrived and I've been wearing it the whole 2 weeks. There's no signs of sun damage on my skin, so very happy about that. Let's start with the eyes. I got this Paul and Joe eyeshadow palette 02. Firstly, the packaging is obviously gorgeous, but I just love the color palette. Shimmery sage green, matte blue, shimmery bronze, and this is actually a cream white shimmer, and it comes with the wee brushes. I've been using the applicators that my makeup comes with, and it's been working so well because I didn't bring any brushes. Today I think I'm going to be wearing like blue tights, so I think I'm going to do the blue because I actually haven't worn it yet. So I'm going to use the sponge applicator, the fresh side that I haven't used the green on. Let's see what this blue looks like. One thing I've noticed with all of the makeup is nothing is like a very strong pigment, which I really like. I like being able to like have the control with something, especially like everyday makeup. For me, I like everything to be more controlled and sheer. Let's just do a little bit of the blue all over. A little bit of the blue all over is adorable. I got this Paul and Joe black eyeliner, which I really like because I like the way it wears. It's not like super long wear, and I'm really into like my makeup looking really worn off recently. But I'm not in the mood to wear black today. I'm gonna do what I've been loving, and I'm gonna use this Rode lip liner. This is in the shade Stretch. I used this in my last video of my everyday makeup. I love how this wears. I love the worn-in look. And I've been doing this, I would say 95% of my time here. I just put it on in the morning and then don't think about it again. And every time I like go to the bathroom or look in the mirror throughout the day and it's like more worn off and worn in, I love it. I'm gonna bring a wee bit up here as well. And I'm gonna use this tip to wing it out. Look how perfect that is. Then I'm gonna go to the bronze in the Paul and Joe palette with this wee brush and just brush it over the top and under here as well. Like I was saying in the last video, because it's a lip liner and it's not a long wear lip liner, it smudges and it moves. It doesn't like drain down your face, but it does look worn in, and I really love that. Yeah, so obsessed with this wee eyeshadow palette. I've been wearing the green a lot actually. Next up is this Twinkle Pop Jelly Glitter in the shade Opal Bazank. You can see, it speaks for itself. It's like an iridescent bluey green glitter, and I just cannot get over it. I actually saw this in a 7-Eleven and I was like, you're joking me. I think it was like £1.50 or something pounds. It is just the most gorgeous glitter. I'm gonna get some more today. I've mostly got very affordable, lower end makeup so far, and just absolutely adored it. They really put their whole pussy into everything. Next, I got these Shu Uemura curlers. I got the gold, even though I hate gold, because they were limited to that store in, I think it was Harajuku, and she was like, it's limited edition. Okay, obviously I'm gonna get it then. My eyelash curlers are terrible, and also these are obviously very well known. I used them yesterday for the first time, and I don't know if they held the curl for as long as it should have, but I think I might get some waterproof mascara to help that along. I haven't got any mascara since I've been here. I'm just going to use the Lisa Eldridge Kitten Lash mascara. The curlers do curl so nicely. It just didn't really hold yesterday, but you can see they do look pretty good, and they feel way comfier than the curlers I was using before. So if anything, there's that. Let's not worry about the crusties where the mascara has transferred above. I'm either going to leave it because I don't care, or I'll scrape it off when it's dry. But I do like having these colours. It's more of a souvenir than anything, to be perfectly honest with you. Oh, I forgot about my ring. I've had this for so long. For eyebrows, I've actually been using the Paul & Joe eyeliner and this angled liner brush. It's actually a nail art brush. I just really like the shape of it. I didn't get this here. I've had this for years. I've just been using this black eyeliner for my brows, which has been gorge, which I have really enjoyed. God, I can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow. I've genuinely had the time of my life here. I honestly kind of feel like it's changed my life. I know people say that, but I really adore it. I just feel so out of my element and comfortable here. I don't know how to explain it. I just adore it, and I love the people and the food, and it's just been a life-changing experience. I think I finally understand the gap year people. I get it now. Let's see. So I haven't been wearing any base product. I'm breaking out a bit, but I have been using this Judy Doll face palette. 04N is the shade. This is perfect for cool tone pale skin like mine. I've just been taking the powder and just pressing it in the center. It's been hot, so I don't really want to wear any base, and I don't really care about covering up blemishes or anything. So I'm just using the powder to like take down excess shine from the SPF. Then I'm going to use this wee Merit brush with the contour. Just do a little bit of contour here. I've also been using this blush, this really pale pink blush, as an eyeshadow, which has been so nice. I love a really pale pink lid. It has this really nice highlighter. Oh, it has this really nice highlighter white shimmer in it as well. So I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Cute. I'm going to pick up as many more of those as I can. Let's quickly do a wee gem moment. Do some lash glue in here. I'm going to use the silver ones. Take a medium and then another medium, and then I'll go to the small, press them down with a tweezer. So cute. These are just from eBay, by the way. For lips, I'm just gonna do the Road lip liner. I have mostly been wearing this Charlotte Tilbury liner and this Holiga, this is Korean, lip balm stained gloss thing. For this ready juicy lip, but I think I want to go more chill today, so I'm going to wear this brown, and I have this Shu Uemura black shimmery lip balm, so it's like sheer, but it has a wee black tint, and I actually got this engraved. Can you see it? I actually got it engraved. So cute. It feels so good. I think that's it. Haven't done any blush actually. I'm gonna use this Cezanne Blend Color Cheek. This is like pinky, cool tone, shimmery blush. That took so many boxes for me, so obviously I had to get it. This was really cheap as well. Feels cheap, but it doesn't look it like the actual box, but not the product. And then I'm just gonna blend that in a wee bit with a brush. Just quickly, some other things that I got while I was here. I haven't opened this yet, but this is a Pearl Glow highlighter thing, and it's a cool lilac-y lavender shimmer. The brand is, again, Cezanne. I got this Media Lux SPF 50 PA++. This is giving Ismaya Lilac color corrector dupe, but except it has SPF 50. It does make you look paler though, so. I also got this Can Make blue silvery glittery highlighter. Gorgeous. So buttery. Again, that was quite inexpensive. I got two of these glitters. I'll probably give one to a friend. The Sugar Twinkle Peri Apera, whatever that means. It's just basically like chunks of glitter, and it's holographic. And then I got it in silver as well, a silvery gold, which I'm probably never gonna wear because I hate gold. I also got this lash serum. I also got this Shu Uemura sheer rosy lip thing. That's everything I got. Let me show you the glam properly. You can probably see it best here. Okay, a surprise. These are my first ones. I've never like partaken in the thing back home, but I'm in Japan and they're Japanese, so come on now. This is the Hippers one, Looking Back series. And I think I want the rabbit. I think I want the rabbit or the hamster or the fawn. It says it may contain a secret one. This is the 20th anniversary. What did I get? Oh! It is cute though. Okay, I do like it. I just don't love green. I just don't love that shade of green, like black green. But it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. This is the Cherry Blossom series. Honestly, I want all of these except the parrot. I did kind of get this one because I was like, oh, they all look really cute because they're pink and I love pink. This is the rabbit. That is so fucking cute. Oh my god, they have a fucking willy. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute.